So what we're going to look at now is exporting a video out of Premiere so that we can either share it with other people, post it online, etc. So here we are in Premiere. We're going to go to File, Export, and notice how the media is not one of the options, even though it's what we want. So the reason is, if you look down here in your sequence, you'll notice it's not highlighted right now. So we need to click in that and make sure it is highlighted. Notice now it has the yellow box. Now when we go to File, Export, Media is an option. So we're going to click on Media. This brings up our output box. And depending on what type of video you're producing, you can choose over on the right-hand side. You can see there's export video, export audio. You can also choose whether you're doing NTSC DV or other options. Now, these options will change depending on what you chose earlier when you were first setting up your video. Also, we want to go to the output name where it says output name and click on that so that we can actually give it an output name that we want. So in this case, we might just put in audio project and then put our initials or whatever naming convention you want to use. Then we can choose where we're going to save it. In this case, the movies folder is perfect, and we'll go ahead and hit save. Once that's done, we can throw it into the queue, or we can hit export, which is what we want to do in most cases. Go ahead and hit export. And it will take it a minute or two depending on the length of the video. In this case, we have mostly audio that we're dealing with, so not a huge export. And that is the steps for exporting your video.